नाजरीन अस्सलाम वालेकुम। IND टुडे न्यूज में आपका खैर मकदम करते हैं। आइए देखते हैं ये तफसीलात।
I congratulated him on his tremendous victory in the assembly election in Telangana, also on his agricultural policy, which we too have brought up an agricultural policy, which has some of the progressive points of the Telangana policy. We discussed the Polavaram issue and how to carry that forward. This is among the major subjects that Mr. Rao and I discussed with him. And also the 33% women's reservation in the Lok Sabha and the State Assembly.
So can we just say that is it just a step forward for the non-BJP and non-Congress alliance singers and conflict?
We had a general discussion on matters of national interest. We will take the talks forward.
Naveen Kessia will go forward for the national politics in the 2019 election, sir.
We will each a federal front happening.
I beg your pardon?
Federal front.
What we discussed.
It is a step for the federal fund.
No, it is not a general
No,
step.
sir, Mr. Rao has been pushing hard for an alternative front. You say
So we
federal
discussed.
front or like that. We taking with the regional party. So you are one of.
We are indeed a regional
Sir,
party.
we will discuss or not.
We have discussed several things, including a further friendship amongst like-minded parties.
So will Naveen Kessia's meet today will go forward for the 2019 election for national politics, sir?
In the parliament election, we have not thought that far. Let's see.
Sir, who is the bigger rival among BJP and Congress?
For the regional parties?
That is Mr. Rao's business, not mine.
So
The Congress
I
accusing
think
that
we put-
BJD and TRS is B team of NDA.
Listen, I am not trying to speculate about all that. You've asked enough questions. Would people like to ask something to me? Mr. Rao, why don't you ask?
Yeah, Mr. Okay, please, sir, my question for you. Mamta Didi has made very clear that she is going to be part of Grand Alliance. Although she has some reservation on both candidates, she said that it will be chosen after election.
Let me make things very clear to you.
Yeah.
There is no hanky-panky in this. It is certain that country needs a change, a qualitative change, for which the dialogue has begun. We are doing our efforts. Nothing has come out concrete now. I think shortly something will emerge.
Any dialogue with BJD?
Definitely, why not?
He's been speaking to me.
Naveen Dada, we are right in front of you.
Exactly.
Both of us are right in front of you. So, see, let me complete. Let us not be hasty. We have just begun the dialogue. We will shortly meet again, and how to take things forward. It is the first time today. Definitely we need to talk to some more people in the country, across the nation. We have just started. You will see the developments in the future.
So
Let us not be so anxious right now. I can say certainly one thing, that there is a dire need for the unification of the regional parties in the country.
Sir, can
Yes,
you
we strongly believe there has to be an alternative to Congress and BJP. I really heartfully congratulate Naveen ji for his very good initiative regarding the farmers, and he is a very senior chief minister in the country. He has been doing lot of good things for the state of Odisha. I have no iota of doubt about it. He is a good model, role model. He is known to be a selfless political leader in the country, a tall personality. We remember Bisuji when he was fighting against the emergency and all that. And he is a proud son of the Bisuji. We are really proud of him. He is a very senior political leader. I really congratulate him on the recent policy of farmers which is brought out by Naveen ji. And he has also proposed, I received a letter in Hyderabad, proposing 33% reservation for women in the legislature at the state level and national level, both the legislatures. I congratulate him. We fully support the cause of women which he has taken up. He is a tall personality, and we hope something to emerge very recently. We will come out with full details very shortly. ఈ రోజు భువనేశ్వర్లో చాలా సీనియర్ నాయకులు, చాలా టాల్ పర్సనాలిటీ శ్రీ నవీన్ పట్నాయక్ గారితో కలవడం జరిగింది. వారు చాలా పాజిటివ్గా చెప్పారు. దేశం గురించి ఏదో చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందని చెప్పారు. రాజకీయాలలో గుణాత్మక మార్పు జరగాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందని చెప్పారు. మా చర్చలు ఈరోజే ప్రారంభమయ్యాయి. త్వరలో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దామని నిర్ణయం చేశాం. డెఫినెట్గా పాజిటివ్ డైరెక్షన్లో మా కలయిక ముందుకు పోతుంది. ఈ దేశానికి కొంత లాభం చేస్తుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ. Now see, these days, let me tell you, it has become a big joke in the country.
Exactly.
Narendra Modi goes to Hyderabad and says, I am the B team of Congress. Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, they go to Hyderabad and they tell me that I am the B team of BJP. We are no team, bhai. Very sorry. We are our own team. You will see it very shortly.
अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आपको यहाँ सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है, उसे क्लिक करिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और साथ ही साथ बेल आइकॉन को भी क्लिक करिएगा जिससे कि आपको ताजा अपडेट मिलते रहें।